Hello students, I am Krishna Nagar, your maths teacher, and today we are going to discuss about our reduced syllabus of the class and for the session 2020-21. So there are certain chapters which has been completely removed from your syllabus, and there are certain topics from certain chapters which are deleted from your syllabus. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. The first chapter is integers. Okay, so the weightage of this chapter is 8 marks, and the first 3 topics are there in your syllabus, that is one, introduction, recall, properties of addition and subtraction of integers. These 3 topics are in your syllabus, and the rest of the 4 topics has been removed from your syllabus. So the most of the questions from exercise 1.3 and 1.4 are now not in your syllabus. Next is fraction and decimals. The weightage of this chapter is 10 marks. Okay, and only 2 topics are there in your syllabus, that is the introduction and how well you learn about fraction. These 2 topics are in your syllabus. Rest of the topics are not a part of your syllabus right now. So that's it. Chapter number 3, data handling, and the weightage of this chapter is 10 marks. Okay, and the topics from 3.1 to 3.7 are a part of your syllabus, and only 2 topics, that is use of bar graph with different purpose and chance and probability. These 2 topics has been removed from your syllabus, and the exercises based on these 2 topics are 3.3 and 3.4. These 2 has been removed, or you can say most of the questions are not the part of your syllabus now. And next is simple equation, chapter number 4, simple equations, and the weightage of this is 8 marks. Okay, so this only 2 topics are there. What is equation and Bohr equation? These 2 topics are your part of your syllabus, and rest of the topics has been removed from your syllabus. Next is line and angles. The weightage is 8 marks, and this complete syllabus, this complete chapter is in your syllabus. None of the topics has been removed. Next is the triangle and its property. The weightage is 10 marks. It is an important chapter, so you need to cover all the topics very carefully. Okay. Next is chapter number 7, congruency of triangles. The weightage is 5 marks, and the only 2 topics, that is criteria of congruency of triangles and congruence among right angle triangles. These 2 topics are in your syllabus, but it's my personal suggestion you to cover all the topics, because to cover these 2 topics you need to go through all the topics, that is the congruency of plane figures and congruency among the lines and congruency of angles, triangles. You need to cover this to be good in these 2 topics. Okay, so although it's not a part of your syllabus now. Now chapter number 8, comparing quantities, 10 marks weightage, and the whole chapter is in your syllabus. Okay, now rational numbers. For this session, this chapter has been removed from your syllabus. Okay, and the chapter number 10, practical geometry, the weightage is 10 marks. Important chapter. You have to cover the whole chapter very carefully. Next is perimeter and area. The weightage is 10 marks, and only 2 topics has been removed: the area of parallelogram and application of the formulas. These two topics has been removed, so you have to do all the other topics. Okay, now algebraic expression, this also has been removed from your syllabus for this session. And next is chapter 13, exponents and powers. The weightage is 7 marks, and only 2 topics has been removed from your syllabus, that is decimal numbers, expressing larger number into standard form. Only 2 topics has been removed from this chapter. Next is symmetry and visualizing solid shapes. These 2 chapters has been completely removed from your syllabus. So that's all about your reduced syllabus. As certain topics have been removed from chapters, but it will be better to complete these topics also, because these are reduced for this session. No? Next session you have to do the chapters based on these chapters, so it will be better to cover all the topics